Hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to customize your Chipy avatar. First, log into your account by clicking the Login button located in the top right corner of your screen. Next, go to either your homepage or your settings. For the homepage, click on your Chipy avatar or hover over your username and select My Homepage from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Chipy homepage where you can see your level, experience points, coins, activity, and stats. You can also hover over your username and select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can edit your profile information, payment details, or notifications. To start, click on the circle with your Chipy avatar on either the homepage or the Settings page to open the Customization menu. You have 4 avatar features that you can modify: body, hair, eyes, and mouth. By default, you have 6 options for each feature, but you can use your Chipy Coins to purchase new items from the shop to make your avatar truly unique. Try different combinations and find the perfect look for you. When you're happy with your changes, click the orange Save Avatar button in the bottom right corner of the Customization menu, and you're done. Now you can show off your unique character to the Chipy.com community. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have fun customizing your Chipy avatar.